What's up mga katambay? Hey everyone, today's video is an honest review of a Mexican restaurant called What Mex here in Antipolo. It's just a short walk from All Home and Vista Mall, perfect for satisfying your Mexican food cravings. Hit that follow button for more content like this. And for the menu, i-pause nyo lang tong video na to just to see what are the options and the pricing. The location. This Mexican restaurant sits in the heart of Antipolo, just a few minutes walk from All Home and Vista Mall. First impressions, I skipped checking their Google reviews and decided to experience it firsthand. Pricing, 4 stars. Let's be honest, their menu isn't the cheapest. However, I gave it 4 stars because the flavor was incredibly authentic. Service, 5 stars. We went during a hot afternoon around 1 p.m. and thankfully there were no lines. Their service crew was very accommodating and answered all my questions. Taste, 5 stars. When the price is higher, it usually means premium ingredients. You can truly taste the herbs and spices that create the authentic Mexican vibe. The flavor reminded me of our recent trip to New York. The meat was tender and the portions were generous. Ambience, 3 stars. There is no air conditioning or comfort room, but there are plenty of tables and seating available. They accept cash and GCash, but no credit Overall, cards. It really depends on your craving. Sometimes you get what you pay for, and for the experience of What Mex restaurant, the price reflects the legitimate Mexican flavors and generous portions. So, is it worth it? I'd say yes, but let me know in the comments what you think.